We've all been there. Messy workflows, slowing down progress, and making scattered tools, making your business feel more complicated than it needs to be. But what if you could visually map your entire process and automate it at the same time? That's exactly what Zapier Canvas does. It helps you visualize, plan, and automate your critical business workflows, making them run smoother and faster. With Canvas, one click and it's like Marie Kondo showed up to organize your digital clutter. So what exactly is Zapier Canvas? It's an AI-powered tool that lets you see your workflows from a bird's eye view. You can map out everything from how your apps connect to how your teams work together and turn those plans into automated actions, all in one place. Think of it like a digital blueprint for your business that you can tweak, adjust, and automate at the click of a button. Let's say you're trying to automate how you capture leads. When someone submits their info on your website, Canvas sends it directly to a Zapier table for your marketing team to review. Now, if the lead is hot, the team can click a button to notify the sales team in Slack, or if it's a lower priority lead, Canvas can automatically add them to a nurturing email sequence. And that's all happening while you're off handling other business tasks. Now let's break down what makes Canvas so powerful. First, there's the AI builder. This is where things get really cool. You can just tell Canvas that you want to automate, and it will automatically create the structure for you. No manual building is required. Next, you've got automated steps. This is where you add in tasks that are already automated through Zaps, like sending emails or updating spreadsheets, to make the entire process flow smoothly. Finally, there's a split paths feature which lets you create different outcomes based on what happens at any point. So if one action leads to success, it goes down one path. And if not, it takes another route. Canvas also makes it easy to keep everything organized. You can group steps together, so even the most complex workflows stay clean and easy to understand. If you're unsure about what to automate next, Canvas gives you AI-powered suggestions based on what you've already built. And to top it off, Canvas tracks the time your automation saves, giving you a clear picture of how much more efficient your processes are becoming. But what really makes Canvas a game changer is collaboration. No more going back and forth on email trends or spreadsheets. Everything happens in Canvas. Your team can leave comments, make adjustments, and fine-tune the process in real time. Once you all agree on the framework, you can click a button and turn that plan into an automated reality. Simple, right? All right, you're probably wondering, what exactly can I use Canvas for? Honestly, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're trying to automate how to capture leads, manage customer support tickets, or streamline your onboarding process, Canvas has you covered. Let's walk through a few real-life examples to make this even clearer. Take customer support, for example. When a customer submits a ticket, Canvas automatically routes it to Zendesk. From there, AI can generate a solution based on your company's knowledge base. Your team gets to review that solution and send it out or tweak it if needed. Once the issue is resolved, Canvas sends a follow-up email to gather feedback, and all of that happens without anyone moving anything manually around. Wow, you'll be solving customer issues faster than anyone can type. Is anyone there? Or think about onboarding new employees. Instead of manually sending out documents, tasks, resources, Canvas can automate the whole thing. It pulls data from your HR system, sends the employee a checklist in Zapier tables, and even lets them interact with the chatbot if they have questions. Every step is accounted for, and you can watch it all happen in real time. All right, now let's get you started. First, log into a Zapier account and find Canvas in the left-hand menu or dashboard. You'll have a few options here. You can start from scratch, use a template, or let AI do the heavy lifting. If you're not sure where to begin, just let Canvas find out what kind of workflow you want to automate, and it'll create a framework for you. Once you've started, you can see that the first step of your workflow right on Canvas. Click it and open detailed panels. From here, you can add new steps, split paths, and drag things around to organize them however you like. It's really intuitive, so you don't really need to be a technical wizard to build something powerful. Now, while you're building your workflow, you might want to add more details to each step. That's where the text tool comes in handy. You can add descriptions, instructions, or any other notes directly on Canvas. Need to zoom in on specific parts of your process? Canvas has zoom controls that let you focus on the details or zoom out to see the entire workflow at a glance. And don't worry if things get a little messy. Canvas has a cleanup layout button that will automatically straighten everything out and make it look neat again. One click and your workflow goes from messy to masterpiece. And if you're feeling stuck or want ideas on how to improve your workflow, Canvas has you covered. Just click anywhere on the background and you'll see Get recommendations. Canvas will analyze your processes and suggest ways to automate and improve it. And once everything is in place, it's time to bring in your team. You can share the canvas with your colleagues, tag them in comments, and get their feedback. Once everyone's on board, you hit automate and watch your entire workflow come to life. Collaboration and automation all in one place. So that's it. Zapier Canvas has everything you need to visualize, plan, and automate your business workflows in one place. If you're ready to streamline your process and boost your team's productivity, try Canvas today and start building your automated workflows. Your future self will thank you. You can find the link in the description below. See you in the next video.